A very cheerful morning, happy morning to all my little angels. How are you, my dear students? Fine. Students, are you taking care of your health? Because beta weather is changing. कभी धूप हो रही है, कभी सर्दी हो रही है. Afternoon, sometime we feel hot, na? And morning we find cold, है ना? So weather is changing, isn't it? Yes, we are on our next topic, that is weather. When the days are hot, what we say? The weather is hot. When the days are cold, what we say? The weather is cold. Isn't it? Sometimes it's calm or windy, sometimes it's dry or rainy. Isn't it? It's all about the weather. So today we will be watching a small video on weather. So are my students ready to watch an interesting video that is based on our new topic, that is weather. Chapter 13, Weather.
Weather. When the days are very hot, we say that the weather is hot. When the days are very cold, we say that the weather is cold. Similarly, weather may be calm or windy. Weather may be dry or rainy. Weather changes from time to time. A hot day. In summer, the days are very hot. The sun shines brightly. This makes the air very warm. We wear cotton clothes to keep ourselves cool. We use fans, coolers, and air conditioners to keep ourselves cool during summer. We eat tasty summer fruits like mango and watermelon. We sweat more in summer, so we need to drink plenty of water and fresh fruit juice. Avoid too many soft drinks and ice creams. They are harmful for your health. A cold day.
What do you do in summer, beta? You enjoy cold drink, ice cream, but avoid too many cold drink, isn't it? And what about you? What do you do in summer? The sun is shining so brightly, isn't it? So it's very hot. You can't sit without fan or air condition, is it? मम्मी जल्दी से पंखा ऑन कर दो. मम्मी जल्दी से AC ऑन कर दो. मेरे को बहुत प्यास लगी है. I am feeling so thirsty. So at that time the weather is very hot, isn't it? You like to drink juices and fruits and cold drink, ice cream, isn't it? And what we do in winter? Let's see.
In winter, the days are very cold. It snows in some places on the mountains. We wear woolen clothes like sweaters and coats to keep ourselves warm. We enjoy taking hot drinks like tea, coffee during winter. We also use heaters or light small fires to keep ourselves warm.
My dear students, what do you do in winter? ठंडी लग रही है मम्मा, मेरे को बहुत ठंडी लग रही है, धूप में बैठना है. मम्मा प्लीज हीटर ऑन कर दो ना. And mama says, come on, first of all wear your sweater, isn't it? And you like to sit in blanket. So at that time the weather is cold. You feel cold, no? So these were the qualities about when the weather is cold. Okay? मम्मा को बोलते हो ना, मम्मा चलो चलो धूप में बैठते हैं. And you like to have coffee and hot drinks also, isn't it? And what about rainy days? Let's see.
We like to sit in the sunshine. A rainy day. In the rainy season, it rains a lot in most places. We use umbrellas, raincoats, and gumboots to go out in the rain. It protects us from rain. A windy day. Moving air is called wind. Or
what's the quality of rainy days? Yes, what do you do in rainy days? We wear gumboots, raincoats, we use umbrella, isn't it? Because it's rain heavily. we can't go out, है ना. So it is a mama, it's a raining heavily, I can't go out, है ना. So mama gave me umbrella. And when it's a windy day, when the air blows heavily, so it's called a windy day.
On a windy day, strong winds blow. It is difficult to walk or drive a bicycle against the wind. When very strong winds blow, trees may fall down. Do you know, we also have autumn and spring season. In autumn season, trees shed leaves. In spring season, weather is not very cold or hot, and plants produce new leaves and flowers. So, the weather affects our life in many ways. It affects the food we eat, the clothes we wear, and the things we do.
What you do windy day में, mama I am not able to ride my bicycle, so the strong wind is blowing. Moving air is called wind. Many times the wind is blowing so hard that the trees also fall down. Students, we have mainly 3 seasons in India, that is summer season, winter season and the rainy season. We also have autumn and spring season. In autumn season, trees shed leaves. In spring season, weather is not very cold or hot and plants produce new leaves and flowers. So, the weather affects our life in many ways. It affects the food we eat, the clothes we wear and the things we do. So, weather affects many ways in our life. कोल्ड में जैसे विंटर आया, सो यू हैव द स्पेशल डिशेस. मम्मी बोलती है गरम गरम चीज़ें खानी है. एंड इन समर यू लाइक टू हैव कोल्ड ड्रिंक्स, इजंट इट? सो इट अफेक्ट्स आवर लाइफ इन मैनी वेज. ओके, सो इट वाज ऑल अबाउट द वेदर. व्हेन इट्स हॉट द वेदर इज hot, when it's cold days the weather is cold. Okay, now let's move to our worksheet part. Yes, tick the correct answer and win a star. We use fans, coolers and air conditioners on a hot day, cold day or a rainy day. Let's find out. Good work. Good work, students. Next is we wear sweaters to keep ourselves cool, warm or dry. Good. Yes, very smart. Now we move to our another exercise, that is drag and drop. Let's see, students. Drag and drop the correct answer from the help box. See, different images are given over here. Now you have to find out whether it's a rainy season, winter or summer season. This one is, oh, good work, very smart. Now let's find out another one, that is cold, that is winter season, isn't it? And see, the wind is blowing so hard, so it's a windy season. It's windy. Okay, good work. Oh, very nice. We have scored 100%. Okay, so these two exercises you will be doing in your textbook as a practice, and the worksheet part we will be doing in our next video. Okay, so it was all about the day from weather, that is chapter 13. Okay, how was the video? If you like, you can press the like button. Okay, do take care of yourself. Have a nice day, students.